We are pleased to show you 2021 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.